Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can use face tracking in Roblox. So I am on the main page of Roblox, and right here we have to click on the cogwheel. Then from here we wanna click on settings. Now we are taken to the settings tab and we have to navigate to privacy and scroll all the way down until you see the setting right here called use camera to animate your avatar with your movement. So if we select this, it will ask us for consent. It will tell us that it will animate our avatar with movement and we have to follow the community standards. So you can check this and click on enable. So now this is enabled, and how do we actually use it? Well, I'm just going to search for a game right here. Please donate, and I'm going to show you how it works. So if we click on here, if you want to confirm whether your experience has camera access and face tracking enabled, you can scroll down and you can see here communication through microphone or camera. So this experience has both of those enabled. So I'm just going to open up the Roblox launcher right here. So it's going to look like this if you have it enabled, and all you gotta do is press on the camera icon right here, and then you will be able to use your movement to be tracked. I can't allow it right now because my camera is being used elsewhere. So if you get this error, then all you gotta do is stop all of the instances that are using your camera. So I hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.